Hey everyone, I want to talk about my worst investment decision. You're probably going to laugh. So this weekend, I watched Logan Paul, or Jake Paul, one of those YouTube people, open up a pack of Pokemon cards. And it was in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. I think each pack they sold for $11,111. And a few years ago, I sold all my Pokemon cards. All of them. I think for like 60 bucks on eBay. Now, those cards today would be worth thousands, literally. And the first edition Charizard, I'm serious, is over $100,000 in value. So I watched the live stream. It was about 2.5 hours long. And the collectible market is absolutely taking off right now, from baseball cards to collectibles to Pokemon cards to grading. So you have a few companies like PSA and Beckett that actually grade the cards, and one stock that you can look that actually trades publicly and actually does trade some volume is CLCT. That's CLCT. It's Collectible Universe. The chart, if you look at like a year, 6 month, it is through the roof. But this is a name that I have to admit, I'm probably going to buy for my long-term account and just buy and hold sometime this week or next week. And the market's hot. You look at stocks like eBay with collectibles. You know, I have friends who are in that industry, and it's taken off because people right now are working from home. They want to go back to what makes them feel good, collectibles back in their youth. Or they're just bored because they're sitting at home all day, so they want to get into this market. So watch that CLCT. The Pokemon boom is booming. If you have any old baseball cards, football cards, Pokemon cards, maybe in the basement, check them out. They may be worth something now.